Hey YouTube, what is up? It's Domino here, aka Aiden, and today we are back with another shoe video, as you can read by the title up above. So, like most of my shoe videos, we are doing an unboxing. So for this video, it's going to be doing the Jordan Spizikes. I honestly don't know how to pronounce them, but I feel like the name goes to the shoe. You'll see that later on in the video. Keep watching. So you will see that. So this weekend I was shopping. I got these shoes, these pickups. They're awesome. I'm like, oh yeah, I totally gotta make a YouTube video. So these shoes, overall, they're Jordans. Jordans are like awesome. In case you're wondering, I got them at Foot Locker, because Foot Locker's awesome. For all you people hating and you don't believe me, I got my receipt too. I got other stuff at Foot Locker too. I got some Nike socks and everything. But anyway, that will be it. So anyway, enough talking. Let's get into the shoe. So first of all, in my videos, we normally start off with the Jordan box. I like this box because it's just the normal plain black, and then you got the golden Jumpman logo. Pretty plain, nice. So as you can see here is this. So I got a size 10. It says the Jordan Spizikes, all the other business. So I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's spelled S-P-I-Z-I-K-E. So I guess so. I don't really know. So anyway, let's get into the shoe. First things first, I love the 23 wrapping. It's white, gold, everything. I like that. I like that kind of vibe. So anyway, woo, these are Fuego. I'm not going to say lit, fire. These are Fuego. So here we go. Here is the shoe itself. This is a really awesome shoe. These remind me of like many different Jordan shoes. They remind me of the Jordan 1s because of the bottom. They remind me of the Jordan 3 flights. They remind me of so many different Jordan shoes. It's like, that's what makes this shoe so awesome. So one thing I do want to point out before we get into all the other details is that it's green here and it's green here. Like most Jordans, you don't see green ones. I don't think I've ever seen a pair of green Jordans myself. I've seen a lot of Jordans. I go to a lot of different sneaker shops. So I think there's like none out there. I might correct me if I'm wrong. So anyway, let's get into the shoe. So the shoe itself, it's a black, varsity red, and green colorway. So the first things first, this reminds me of a camo green, and then following that pattern, it's a camo black in the back. So another cool detail I want to notice, there's a lot of little details that you want to see in this shoe. Right here is, you can't see it because it's black, but it's the Jumpman logo on a globe. So I'm guessing it means like a global impact on the world or something. I don't know. And one thing I do want to know is I don't know when these were released. My bad. I don't know when these were released. So someone comment down below. So this shoe has so many different colors and textures. I'm going to go get out the other shoe. Here's the other shoe. And you guys all might be wondering, Aiden, why the heck did you get a size 10? You're a little boy. First, I'm not a little boy. Second, it's just because size 10 is a good shoe, just in case you want to sell it, and like if you like just want to grow into them and save them for a while. First of all, let me get the thumbnail. Okay, I think that should be good. I don't really know. So, as you can see, we got the classic Jordan across here with the star, or no star. I was thinking about something else. On the bottom right here, I don't know if you can see it, but if you look closely, those are all stars, which is really cool. I love this shoe overall. Down here, it reminds me of the Air Maxes, how like Adidas has the Ultra Boost, the Boost technology, Air Max technology on here. One thing I do like is there's not a lot of symbols on it. It's nice and plain, but it also pops out at the same time. So this reminds me of so many different shoes. It's the Jumpman logo on the tongue, shoelace holder. It reminds me of so many different things too. It reminds me of like all the different Jordans, like I said earlier. This is America, boom, boom, because all the globe wide, the stars reminds me of the flag. And these shoes are actually really good shoes for many different things. These shoes, you can hoop in them, play basketball, same thing. They're a casual shoe. They can be a fancy shoe. It's like an all-in-one thing. It's a really nice shoe, really good to wear. If you guys are looking for some like nice flashy but casual shoes or Jordans in general, these would be the best pick for you overall. And if you just want to be casual about it, you can also use these too. These are an awesome shoe. I personally love them. They are awesome. I haven't worn them yet because I'm waiting to grow into them. Right now I'm like a size 8.5 to 9, so they're pretty big. I haven't worn these like most of my shoes. So these are all overall a good shoe. This is the green, black, varsity red. Personally, I love the red and green because it pops out. And then you just have the black that sits there and then just lets everything shine. That's why I said it's like a casual but like fancy, popping out, flashy shoe. So these are overall a really, really great shoe. If you're looking for a Jordan or any other shoe, these would be good. Actually, if you look on the inside, you can't see it on camera, but you have like the Jordan 1, Nike symbols, Jumpman symbols, stars, EA Sports, and then a bunch of little designs made out of the Nike symbol. So these are overall like a really great, like really in-depth design shoe, which is something I wanted to point out. Most Jordans are really good designs. Like you look at them, you're like, oh yeah, that's cool. But if you actually look closely, Jordans have so much more different things in it. So next time you buy a pair of Jordans, look at it closely. So these are a really great shoe overall. I think I might end the video here, but I just want to give you guys one more 360 spin around. These things are like awesome. I love them. They're an all-in-one shoe. They remind me of so many different shoes. They look like so many different Jordans. They have like all those different colors. Like I was saying earlier, you never see green in Jordans. You got the green here, got the green here. Kind of reminds me of a Christmas shoe. But these are like an awesome shoe to wear. And like they have so much different material, color design in general. This shoe's just an awesome shoe if you're looking for a different type of shoe, or you just like rocking Jordan. You want to try Jordan. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, still like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Anyway, I'm out. It's Domino, and I'll see you next time, boys.